it's me, your future you. You made some bad money moves.
Now we're totally screwed.
Did it?
The National Weather Service in Raleigh has issued a tornado warning for northeastern Wayne County in central North Carolina, southern Wilson County in central North Carolina, until 3 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 2:20 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a confirmed large and extremely dangerous tornado is located 7 miles northwest of Snow Hill, or 12 miles southwest of Farmville, moving northwest at 30 miles per hour. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Take cover now. Hazard: damaging tornado. Source: radar confirmed tornado. Impact: you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely, and complete destruction is possible. The tornado will be near Eureka around 2:25 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Black Creek around 2:35 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Saratoga, Lucama, Black Creek, Eureka, and Stantonsburg. To repeat, a large, extremely dangerous and potentially deadly tornado is on the ground. To protect your life, take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.